noticed that there's multiple ways to do this, but I do believe from what I've seen, the associated template is the best way because then it populates the data, right?
Correct. You can do it a different way. So if you'll notice, every document, when I scroll down here, so first of all, every document has this little down arrow on the side to open it up, to open up the document record. This is not the actual document itself, it's the record about the document. You can do it that way, or you can click anywhere in the white space or on the name. You know, if you click one of these buttons to edit or download, obviously that's going to do something different, but you don't have to necessarily click the arrow, and I seldom do. I usually just click on the name because it's easier for me, because that's what I'm looking at the time. But when you open up one of these document records for a given document, you'll see at the bottom of it, there's a document record ID. So if, for example, you wanted to create a seller, well, let's say we wanted to create some type of a COVID disclosure based on this, you know, from this document. COVID disclosure is not listed in the associated templates. Or if we wanted, you know, some other type of thing. So we can always just copy this document record to the clipboard. And then when we go create, what did I say, a COVID disclosure, that's going to be under miscellaneous. So if I wanted to create a COVID disclosure here, I could create that. And instead of entering in the information here, I can say import from Legito, because we're going to import from another Legito document. I'm going to choose my document record. And so the document record number I just copied, I could do a Control V to paste it in, and it shows me this is the document. So I select that. And now I can say, okay, do a smart import. And you can see this little blue bar across the top that's moving ever so slowly. But it imported successfully. So it imported the information from my other document, Sam Sporting Goods, XYZ. So that's another way that you can import information from a document. You just use the document record ID.